Imagine waking up to $10,000 in your bank account, all thanks to AI. What if I told you that artificial intelligence could be your ticket to financial freedom? In the next few minutes, I'll break down exactly how I made $10,000 in just 30 days using AI and how you can do the same. Stay with me till the end because this could change your life. AI is transforming the way we work, invest, and make money. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, automation software, and AI-driven businesses, making money online has never been easier. In this video, I'm going to reveal the step-by-step strategies I used to generate $10,000 in just 1 month. Let's dive in. Number 1. Identifying AI money-making opportunities. Before jumping into AI, I researched the most profitable AI-driven opportunities. AI is revolutionizing industries like content creation, e-commerce, automation, and consulting. I identified high-demand areas where AI could solve problems and add value. Exploring profitable niches. AI has opened doors to various income streams, such as AI content generation, AI-powered automation, and AI-driven design. Businesses are actively seeking AI solutions to improve efficiency, making it a lucrative market. Finding market gaps. By studying trends and analyzing customer pain points, I identified areas where AI could bridge the gap. This research helped me focus on high-converting AI businesses that could generate substantial income. Number 2. Using AI for freelancing and content creation. One of the easiest ways to start making money with AI is through freelancing. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI help create high-quality content quickly, making them valuable for bloggers, businesses, and marketers. AI-powered writing. With AI-generated content, I was able to produce well-researched articles, scripts, and ad copies in record time. This efficiency allowed me to handle more clients and increase my earnings. Earning from content services. I listed my services on Fiverr and Upwork, charging $50 per 1,000-word article. Writing 30-plus articles in a month earned me over $2,000, proving that AI-assisted freelancing is a profitable venture. Number 3. AI-powered YouTube automation. YouTube automation using AI is a game changer. I launched a faceless YouTube channel and used AI for script writing, voiceovers, and video editing. AI tools for YouTube. ChatGPT generated engaging scripts. 11 Labs AI provided realistic voiceovers, and Pictory AI created visually appealing videos, all without me appearing on camera. Monetization and growth. Within 30 days, my channel gained 5,000 subscribers. Revenue came from YouTube ads and affiliate marketing, bringing in $1,500 in earnings. Number 4. Selling AI-generated digital products. AI tools like Midjourney and Canva AI helped me create and sell digital products such as ebooks, templates, and stock photos on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. Profitable digital products. Planners, social media templates, and AI-generated art were in high demand. Since digital products require no inventory, they provided passive income. Revenue breakdown. I sold 500-plus downloads, generating $3,000 in revenue within a month. Number 5. AI in affiliate marketing and SEO. Affiliate marketing is one of the best passive income methods, and AI made it even easier. AI for SEO optimization. I used ChatGPT to write keyword-rich blog posts and Surfer SEO for advanced keyword research, increasing website traffic. Automated email marketing. AI chatbots automated email responses, increasing engagement and conversion rates. These AI-driven strategies led to $1,200 in affiliate commissions within a month. AI-driven affiliate marketing has changed the game. With AI-generated content, predictive analytics, and automated sales funnels, I optimized my affiliate strategies to drive more traffic and boost conversions. I used ChatGPT to generate high-quality, keyword-optimized content for blogs and landing pages. Tools like Surfer SEO helped ensure my content ranked well, driving organic traffic. Additionally, AI-powered tools like Jasper and Copy.ai created engaging product descriptions and call-to-action copy that improved click-through rates. I automated email marketing using AI-driven chatbots. With tools like MailChimp AI and HubSpot, I segmented audiences and personalized email campaigns, leading to higher engagement. By setting up AI-driven workflows, I ensured follow-ups, recommendations, and discount offers were delivered at the perfect time, maximizing sales. The result? My AI-driven affiliate marketing strategies generated $1,200 in commissions within a month. The best part? AI automation allowed me to scale my affiliate business with minimal manual effort, making it a sustainable passive income stream. Number 6. AI-powered e-commerce automation. E-commerce businesses thrive on automation, and AI streamlined my online store operations. AI-powered e-commerce automation is revolutionizing the way online businesses operate. By leveraging AI algorithms, companies can automate various aspects of their operations, from inventory management to customer service. For example, AI can predict demand patterns, optimize pricing strategies, and personalize marketing campaigns. This not only enhances efficiency, but also improves customer satisfaction by providing a seamless shopping experience. AI in dropshipping and POD. I used AI-generated designs for print-on-demand products and AI chatbots for customer support. AI-based ad management optimized my marketing campaigns. Financial impact. With reduced workload and optimized sales strategies, my e-commerce store generated $2,300 in 30 days. Number 7. AI-driven stock market and crypto trading. AI trading bots provided me with data-driven insights for stock and crypto trading. AI-powered trading strategies. Using platforms like 3 and Pionex, I automated trades and minimized risks through AI-driven analysis. Profitability. AI bots increased accuracy by 80%, helping me earn $800 in trading profits within a month. Number 8. AI chatbot consulting and automation services. Businesses need AI chatbots for customer interactions, and I leverage this demand to build chatbot solutions. AI chatbots are transforming customer service and support across various industries. As a consultant, you can help businesses implement AI chatbot solutions that enhance customer interactions. AI chatbots can handle a wide range of tasks, from answering frequently asked questions to processing orders and providing personalized recommendations. By automating repetitive tasks, businesses can reduce operational costs and improve response times. Imagine a chatbot that can handle thousands of customer inquiries simultaneously, providing instant support and freeing up human agents for more complex issues. Custom AI chatbots using ManyChat and ChatGPT API, I developed AI chatbots tailored for different industries, from e-commerce to real estate. Earning potential. Charging $500 per chatbot setup and selling 4 in a month resulted in $2,000 in revenue. Number 9. AI for resume writing and career services. Job seekers need high-quality resumes, and AI streamlined the resume creation process. AI is reshaping the job market, and its applications in resume writing and career services are no exception. AI-powered tools can analyze job descriptions and tailor resumes to match specific requirements. These tools use NLP to highlight relevant skills, experiences, and keywords, increasing the chances of getting noticed by recruiters. Additionally, AI can provide personalized career advice, helping individuals identify suitable job opportunities and develop their skills. Imagine an AI assistant that can create a professional resume in minutes, provide interview tips, and suggest career paths based on your interests and strengths. It's like having a career coach that guides you towards success. AI-powered resume writing. ChatGPT-generated resumes were formatted professionally and tailored to specific industries. I offered additional career consulting services, increasing my income. Revenue stream. Marketing my services on LinkedIn and Fiverr led to $700 in earnings in just 1 month. Number 10. AI automation for passive income. Automating income streams with AI provided long-term financial stability. AI managed blogs and lead magnets. I created AI-driven blogs using programmatic SEO and developed lead magnets for automated email marketing campaigns. Scalable income. With AI managing most tasks, these passive income models continue generating revenue 24/7, setting the stage for financial growth. So that's how I used AI to generate $10,000 in just 30 days. AI is not just the future, it's the present. If you leverage AI correctly, you can create multiple streams of income and achieve financial freedom faster than ever. Are you ready to start your AI journey? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI money-making strategies.